Exercise 3C, question number 1. So in this section, we have determined whether the sequence is a geometric sequence or not. Um, for that, we have to check the ratio as usual. So this is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6 times 6. So we can write T2 divided by T1 equal 2 divided by 1 equal to, and T4 divided by T3 equal 8 divided by 4 to equal to, hence the ratio is same, uh, hence ratio is same, hence this is a geometric sequence. Part B, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So T1, T2, T3, T4, term 5, and we can see that 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 and 8 divided by 5 is not 2.5. It means ratio is not same. So T2 over T1 equal 5 divided by 2, not equal to T3 over T2, which is 8 equal to 8 divided by 5. Hence, uh, ratio is not same or unequal. Hence, above above sequence is not a geometric sequence. Part C, this is 40, 36, 32, 28. You can see this is reducing by 4 by 4. 46 minus 4 is 36. 40 minus 4, 36, minus 4, 32. So this is arithmetic sequence, basically not a geometric sequence, but we have to show this. So T1 over T2, term 1 over T2 equal 36 over 40 is not equal to um, term 3 over term 2, that is 32 divided by 36. Hence, this is not a geometric sequence. Question part D, 2, 6, 8, 18, 54, 162. When you look at this one, you can see 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 3, 18, 18 times 3, 54. So basically it has a same ratio. So T1 over T2 equals 6 over 2, 6 divided by 2, equal T3, term 3 divided by term 2, that is 18 divided by 6 equal 3. Hence, this is a geometric sequence. Part A, 5 divided by 10 is half, 2.5 divided by 5 is half, and 1.25 divided by 2.5 is half. Basically, this is a geometric series. T1, T2 divided by T1, uh, 5 divided by 10, which is half, equal T3 divided by T2, that is 2.5 divided by 5 is half. Hence, this is a, geometric sequence. And next one, E F 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 and 5. So this is a geometric series. 5 minus 5 divided by 5 is minus 1. 5 divided by minus 5 also minus 1. So T2 term 2 divided by term 1 is term 2 is minus 5 and term 1 is 5, which is minus 1. This is equal to term 3 divided by term 2, that is 5 divided by minus 5. Hence, this is a geometric sequence. Part D, again 3 divided by 3 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1. This is very clearly, easily we can identify this is a geometric sequence. So T2 over T1 equal 3 over 3 equal 1 equal T3 over T2 equal 3 over 3. Hence, this is a geometric sequence. And the other one, 4 minus 1, 0.25 minus 0.0625. Part H, minus 1 divided by 4 is 0.25, and 0.25 divided by minus 1 is minus 0.25, and the sign is alternating, but the magnitude is same. So second term divided by first term is minus 1 over 4 equal minus 0.25. This is equal term 3 over term 2. Term 3 is 0.25 divided by minus 1 equal minus 0.25. Hence, this is a geometric sequence. Question number 2. This is given as a geometric sequence, so we have to find the next three terms. For that, if we know the ratio, simply we can multiply. So the ratio is T2 over T1 divided by equal 15 over 5 equal 3. So the ratio is 3. Then the next term is 43 times 45. Then next term is 3 times 3 times 45. Next term is 3 times 3 times 3 times 45. If you look at this one, so starting from 45, assume this is the first term and this is the second term. So this is another geometric series starting from, sequence starting from 45. If this is the first term, we know that 45, the next term is 3 to the power 3 times common ratio times, sorry, first term times common ratio 1, this is 0, and this is 45 times common ratio square, and this is 45 times 3 cube, starting from 45 if we disregard those two. So this 3 times 45 is 40 times 320 and 135, and 9 times, so 135 times 3 is 100, 300 and 405, and then 405 times 3 basically 1002. So those are the next three terms: 135, 405, 1215. Or you can write like this: 5, 15, 45. 45 times 335. So 135 times 3, 405. 405 times 3, 1215. Part B, 48 minus 8, 16. So 2t divided by t1 is minus 8 divided by minus 2. So this is the common ratio. We'll multiply by this one. 16 times minus 2, 32. 32 times minus 32, and minus 32 times minus 2, 64, minus times minus plus, 64 times minus 2, minus 128. So those are the next three terms. Part C, t2 divided by t1 equal 30 divided by 60 equal half. The common ratio is half. So multiply by common ratio. 15 times half is 7.5. 7 point times half is 3.75. 3 point times half is, let me use a calculator, that is 1.875. D 1, 1 over 4, 1 over 16, and yeah. So T2 divided by T1 equal 1 over 4 divided by 1, which is 1 over 4. So you want to multiply by 1 over 4. So I can see that 4, 16. So 1 over, 1 over, 1 over. Because 1 times 1 is 1. So this is 4 square 16. 6, 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. 64 times 4, 256. 250,000 to 4. Basically, I multiply by each term 1 over 16 times 1 over 4. I know that 1 times 1 is 1. That's why I wrote uh, the all tops as 1, because it's going to be 1. And 16 times 4, that is 64. Then 1 over 64 times 1 over 4. So 1 times is 1. That's why I wrote that one. And this is 256. Part E. So T2 divided by T1 is P over 1 equal P. So the common ratio is P. So we have to multiply by p. So p square times p is p cube, and p cube times p, p4, and p4 times p, it is p5. Those are the three terms. And f x minus 2 x square and 4x cube. So t2 divided by t1 equal minus 2x square over x, that is minus 2x. So we'll multiply by minus 2x. 4x cube, 4x cube times minus 2x, that will give minus 8x4. 4 times 2 minus 8, x to the power 3. So this is addition. 3 plus 1, 4. So this is going to be minus 8x4. Minus 8x4 times minus 2x. Minus times minus plus 16x5. 16x5. And then 16x5 times minus 2x, that is 32x6. 32x6, that is minus. Or you can do that one, minus, this is the next term, this is the other term, and this is the other term. Minus plus minus plus minus. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 16 times 2, 32. And then x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6.